In this chapter, we want to get to know the basics of formula writing. First, we want to see what the formula is. A formula is an expression that calculates the value of a cell or a range of cells. For example, here equal A1 plus A2 is a formula that adds the values of cells A1 and A2. As you can see, by pressing the Enter key, the sum of these two cells will be displayed. Remember, in writing formulas, you must first enter the equal sign and then enter the values. But the elements that make up a formula, depending on the type of formula we create, for example, here the sum formula include these sections. Functions are predefined formulas in Excel that perform calculations using specific values in a specific order. Cell references contain the value that we want to use in the Excel formula. Operators are special symbols that, according to the type of operation or calculation to be performed, specify that there are types of arithmetic and comparison operators in formula writing, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, and equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, unequal or opposite. Constants are numbers or text values that we enter directly into a formula. Excel includes many common functions that can be used to quickly find a value, average, count, maximum, and minimum value for a range of cells. But generally, there are two categories of functions. One of the predefined functions defined by Excel by default, such as VLOOKUP, SUM, and predefined functions that users can define according to their needs with the VBA programming language in Excel. For better and easier use of predefined functions, Excel has categorized them in different groups, and all of them can be seen in the Formulas tab in the Function Library section. As you can see, various functions including math and trig functions, logical functions, date and time functions, and other functions are in this group. There are more than 400 functions in Excel, the number of which is growing from version to version. But in order for functions to operate correctly, a function must be written in a special way, which is called syntax. The main structure of the function has three parts. One is equal operations. Two is the name of the function, which is the command or operation to be executed. And three is arguments, which are the parts or inputs of a function. As you can see, the separator between the arguments is semicolon or comma or reverse semicolon, which is different according to different computers. To know if your Excel formula accepts which one, just enter a function like SUM. Then look at the formula guide that appears below. Note that some functions may be without arguments, such as the today function. There is a point here, which is that number means that a number must be written inside the argument. If your formula is formatted as text, the formula will not work. To check this, select the formula cell and from the Home tab in the Number section, if the format is text, change the cell format to General and double-click on the desired cell. Then press Enter to recalculate the formula and display the calculate value. Another point in this section is that you can type a formula both in a cell and in a formula bar.